Hi, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are feeling great and amazing. So if you see me for the first time, I am iGladon here. I do fashion content. I do a lot of hauls, how to style video. If you like this sort of content, do not hesitate to join the fam, and don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up for me as it helps my channel a little bit. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I really do appreciate you all. As you can tell from the title of this video that I will be talking about spring essentials. So the things I have here are the things I use all the time in a regular basis. So that's why I thought I would do this video. I've already done like spring essential on this channel before. You know, in your wardrobe you have some particular outfit that you just use all the time. So these are the things I thought I'm going to be showing you guys in this video today. Some of my go-to when it comes to spring that I can just easily pair up, and at the end of the day I am still looking wear groomed, wear polished, and things like that. I don't want to ramble too much. Let's just dive right into this video. Let me show you what I have here. So I'm just going to dive into accessories. I'll be showing a little clip on the side for you to see what I mean. When it comes on a really nice spring day, and now you know what guys, we are out, our restaurants are open, we can dine out, which is like a really good plus, because now we can start dressing up a little bit, showing off what we have in our wardrobe. I am absolutely excited. So recently I see myself just using my basket a lot. Just going out, I could just put my basket on, and it just like a great touch at this time of the year, because it's not something that you can just easily pull your beads and you off. And I particularly like this basket because inside it has like a little purse inside and a drag string, so your beads or your lipstick, your mirror doesn't fall out. And I just love the fact that it have this extra handle as well, so you could put it at the side. It's just like honestly my go-to, so I've used it quite a bit recently, going to church, it just make my outfit just look a little bit outstanding. I use it so much, and I have it in this one. If you've watched my what I wore in a week, you could see that I actually featured this one. I particularly like this one because it really sits well on my shoulder. So sadly enough, I won't be able to link exactly this one because I bought this one from a farmer's market in France. But I just really love this basket so much. I just love the way, I think it's the way it sits on my shoulder that I really like about this basket. And recently I bought this cross bag. This is an amazing, honestly, cross bag that I picked from H&M. It's just, they've duped this handbag so well. I just love the neutral color of this handbag. It's just amazing. It's just a great touch to my outfit. And this time of the year, I just honestly just cross it like this, and I am off to go. So moving off from my basket, now my bag, to clothing. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about, the category, is just like t-shirts. For example, I love stripe. When it comes to spring summer, I am like a stripy girl, like a zebra stripy girl. I just really love outfit like that because this one goes with like white jeans, it goes with like really nice blue jeans. I just really love the elegancy, that nautical vibe that I get from stripe. I think this is absolutely beautiful, and I particularly like something like this. I've worn this, like I've wore a lot of stripe this week already. I think throughout the weekend up to today, I've been seeing different t-shirt, because it's just like my easy go-to. I really love things like this. It's just giving me that really nice nautical vibe. So having said that, I love my trench this time of the year. I use a lot of trench coat. So I have a blue trench as well with my stripe, indigo blue. It really blends nicely with a white trouser. I really love the vibe, so I do really like it. So this is a new addition to my wardrobe, and I just see myself, I've already used it, so for the haul is going to come in. The haul of this trench will be coming very soon, so do keep your notification bell up. I just love the elegancy of this. If I could have trench in all colors, honestly speaking, this time of the year I would definitely have it. I used to have white, I gave it to the charity shop. I am so dying for a nice white trench. I love the vibe of a good trench. So the other thing I do use, that is my go-to, they are blazers. Oh my god, Blazers are my go-to with my white t-shirt underneath. I just honestly just throw in my blazer. I am out of the house. I just love the vibe that I get from my blazer at this time. It's just like incredible. And now this period I've really upped my blazer game because I've bought a lot from Zara and H&M already, which I am loving. Really nice neutral colors, and I just love the cut and the finishing of this blazer. Is just like so cool. So I have an oversized shirt. It's so funny when it comes to this sort of weather. I do use a lot of oversized shirt. When it comes to spring, I could put on my my leather trouser and a nice oversized shirt with my jumper. Is just incredible. I do use a lot of oversized shirt this time of the year. This is my go-to. I have like few stain. I really need to wash this. I really need to give like a deep clean to this shirt. I've really enjoyed this shirt. I actually picked this one up from Zara from last year. I love the fact that this one has that little tail at the bottom. It's really quite long at the bottom. It really gives it that baggy feeling, which I have enjoyed. And so, oh my god, this is a new addition to my wardrobe. Even though it's a new addition, I have I have used this vest so much lately. It's just like a great purchase from H&M. It really is good. You could see the neckline here. There's like some brown foundation just like smearing the neck here. It's just incredible. Like, I wear it with my jeans, my skinny at the moment. I just really enjoyed this this vest. Even though it's new, I think I've worn it almost 4 times already. It's ridiculous. I just really love it. It's just like so nice. It just at the moment it is my go-to. And I have a nice denim here. I actually wore it with this denim the other day, which I really quite like the vibe. This denim I picked from ASOS. This has been my go-to. This denim is a very trendy denim. It's loose, it's straight leg. I just love the fit, and it's high-waisted. I wore it with that, and I put a little bit of belt in the middle, and I thoroughly love the vibe that I got from this outfit. Yeah, so this denim, I've used it quite a lot. I quite like it when I buy something like outfits or pieces to my wardrobe, and it blends in so nicely that it just refreshes my wardrobe, and I use it a lot. I don't just like it now when I purchase something that doesn't integrate nicely and you just struggle to use it with what you already have. I don't really like that vibe at the moment now. So this baby here is so good. I've owned this jacket for going to like 4 years or 3 years. Every spring, autumn, I use it. Even early winter, I use it a lot. This time, oh my goodness, with my denim jacket, I've used them. I'm using them so much. This leather jacket is honestly so nice. I just really love the cut. I love the finish. It's real leather. It's so elegant. It's just easy outfit to throw on. So at the moment, I am just enjoying it. Most of the things here, like I've showed you guys, those are the things that I am just enjoying using because they are my go-to. When I'm just thinking about outfits, I could just easily grab some things that I've really enjoyed recently. Honestly, this leather jacket, oh my goodness, it's just amazing. And this one is from Wiso, and it's just still in a great condition. I picked this Sunny from my H&M haul, thinking that, oh my god, I want to give some of my nice designer sunglasses a break because sometimes I'm often really scared about scratching and things like that. Since I purchased these Sunnies, I've used them every day. It's still very steady. I've used it every day. It's so cool, it's so elegant, and I've had a lot of compliments because of the style, the way it comes like this and in. It's just one thing that I put on, oh my god, it just kind of seal in my outfit, which I really do like. So thank you so much, guys. I don't want this video to be too long. I just really want to show you some of the things that I've really enjoyed recently that are my go-to, just in case you're thinking of refreshing your wardrobe, trying to add some pieces to your wardrobe. These things that I've just showed you, oh my goodness, they've been like my go-to, the things that I can easily style, that have refreshed my wardrobe recently. So thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate you all. I cannot thank you guys enough. If you know you like fashion, don't hesitate to join the farm. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, as it really helped my little channel to kind of progress a little bit. Thank you so much. Like I always say on this channel, stay blessed, stay positive and optimistic. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.